Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright silver. It looks great. You do have the chrome accenting on your grille up front here and the chrome bumper right down there. Now coming here we do have our halogen quad headlights right there, very bright. And coming over here we do have 17-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. Still lots of tread left on them as well. They look very nice. You do have heated exterior mirrors in black right there. And coming all the way to the back we do have our 5-foot box. And it does have the chrome bumper back here as well. Now let's open it up and take a look. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. It looks very nice, and 5 feet is a lot to haul whatever you might need to. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have our panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. Now on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You have your handle here, and another little handle here with some additional storage just down here, and a very nice interior as well. The seats are very comfortable, very soft, very spacious as well, lots of room in here. You do have the controls of your lights, so you have your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control there. And right up here we do have the controls over our windshield, our turning signals, and our high beams. Okay, let's start her up here, so key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we have, only 130, that is nothing. Also the temperature outside, and you can switch that around a bit. So you do have the channel that we're on for the radio, you have the temperature outside, and then we have our vehicle info, speedometer, fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your messages, your screen setup, your settings, and then you can turn the menu off if it was too bright for you. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel here with your horn in the center and your cruise control options on the other side. And then right here we do have our gear shift, just like that. And then over here we do have our radio. So we do have AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, all hanging out in there. You also have your media tab if you have one hooked up through aux cord or USB. Then you also have your info here, you have your ABC, and then you have your presets down here. And then we have our volume up and down with the power, the skip, the mute, the pause, all those guys, and then your audio, menu, and back button, as well as the tuner and browser right there. And then down here we do have our hazard lights, our power, for the climate control. You have the circulation, heat and AC, and then right over there we do have where it's going to blow out of. Down here we have our traction control and our tow and haul mode. And then right over here we do also have our 2-wheel, our 4-wheel lock, and our 4-wheel low. And then we do have a little bit of additional storage just under there as well. In the center here you do have 3 cup holders and an armrest. You can lift this guy up, and you do have your coin holders right here. And over here we do have an aux cord and a USB plug-in as well. You can close that back up, and underneath here is another seat. So you can seat 6 people all together in here. And then over here we do have a top layer for our glove box and a bottom layer right here. Open that guy up. You do have lots of room in there as well for whatever you might need to put in there. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here you do have the control over your windows. You have your handle here, another little handle here, and some storage down here. Lots of room back here as well. It is a crew cab, as I said. So you will have tons of room to fit all 6 people. You can lift it up as well, and then you got some additional storage just underneath there, and your cup holders right over there. We also have our floor mats right here. We can push those out of the way, and we do have some additional storage just under there as well. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.